It was the first December morning of the year. I had left the warmth of my bed quite early to embrace the new month by a wander through the moorlands close to our home. The silence that hung in the air was so heavy that I became very quiet myself. No one was around. I was blissfully alone, and for a while the problems of the world couldn't touch me. I could just be. The trees were mere silhouettes, wafting in and out of view as the fog was traveling through the woods. As I pass one of the ponds, I hear the soft dripping of water and I stop. The sound was soothing, and for a while I just stood there, as silent as the landscape around me, watching and listening. Something wondrous resided in the forest that morning, the kind of magic only nature can conjure up, and that makes you realize over and over again that our existence would be quite bleak if we didn't have the forest to escape to.